Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you have the Cards Against Humanity Family Edition and you want to add in some super funny fresh cards, I highly recommend this little mini expansion pack that was written by kids. So we have the Cards Against Humanity Family Edition original game. We also have the Family Edition expansion pack, and then you can see this by comparison is just a small sleeve of cards, but what makes them so unique is that they were written by kids. So they're super hilarious. In fact, on the back of the pack, it says, fun fact, kids are funnier than adults because their spirits haven't yet been crushed by years of boring classes and meaningless jobs. So this is a little pack of just 30 cards. You get a few of the black cards for the gameplay, and then the rest are the white different choice cards. And they are just absolutely hilarious. So this family edition pack, it's recommended for ages 8 and up. If you have the family edition Cards Against Humanity game and you just want to add some fresh, fun cards in, I highly recommend this pack written by kids because they are super funny and it really adds to the gameplay. But that's just my point of view.